Hi friends, today let's make mung bean mixture. As you can see, I am drying the bean. First, soak it in water for 2 hours and then dry it. Now let me introduce you to our ingredients. They are gram flour, rice flour and turmeric powder. First, add 1 cup of rice flour, 1 cup of gram flour and 1 teaspoon turmeric powder and mix well. Add some water and knead well. If you liked our video, please like and subscribe. Add 1 tablespoon oil and knead it again. Now we will need a idiyappam or noodles maker. Fill it with the dough. And deep fry it. It will be ready in a couple of minutes. It's all ready now, so let's fry our mung bean. As I told you before, there shouldn't be a single drop of water in it. The bean must be dried well and fry it until golden brown. And our mung bean is also ready. Break it into pieces and add fried mung beans into it. Sprinkle some salt on it. If you have black salt, that will be better. So sprinkle some salt and mix well. And our mung bean mixture is ready. Hope you liked it. Thank you for watching payyanur Kitchen.